Imagine a world where luxury meets the open road, and raw performance isn't limited to racetracks but extends to your mobile living space. That world becomes reality with the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome, a stunning fusion of engineering precision, cutting-edge design, and lifestyle elegance. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement on wheels, a mobile palace crafted by the same minds behind some of the world's most legendary hypercars. The moment you lay eyes on it, it commands attention. The aerodynamic body, sculpted with the same obsession as the Chiron or Devo, glides across the road with an elegance rarely seen in RVs. The signature Bugatti horseshoe grille sits confidently up front, flanked by aggressive LED headlights. Flowing carbon fiber lines stretch across its length, not just for aesthetics, but to serve function, maximizing airflow and reducing drag. Sleek, flush door handles and bespoke alloy wheels complete the look, giving the impression that this machine is ready for both the Autobahn and the Amalfi Coast. Step inside and you're met with something truly out of this world. The interior is a sanctuary. Modern, opulent and yet unmistakably Bugatti. From hand-stitched leather seats bearing the EB logo to real wood veneers and polished aluminum accents, every inch is detailed with craftsmanship you'd expect from a brand of this caliber. The main lounge features a panoramic smart glass roof, adjustable ambient lighting, and a modular seating arrangement that transforms the space depending on your needs. Whether you're lounging under the stars or parked beside a mountain lake, the interior adapts beautifully to any mood. The kitchen isn't just a side thought, it's a fully equipped gourmet space with high-end appliances, induction cooking, smart refrigeration, and seamless cabinetry that blends into the walls when not in use. A hidden OLED screen emerges with a touch, syncing effortlessly with the Bugatti's onboard AI. You control everything, from the blinds to the climate system, with a voice command or a simple gesture. The bedroom offers a queen-sized floating bed, memory foam mattress, and noise-cancelling panels for uninterrupted rest. And the bathroom? Heated floors, rainfall shower, smart mirrors. It rivals five-star hotel suites. But let's not forget, this is still a Bugatti. Performance isn't sacrifice for luxury. Under the sleek hood lies a hybrid V8 engine paired with electric motors, delivering an astonishing 1,000 horsepower. That power translates into seamless acceleration with 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, a number unheard of in the RV world. Adaptive suspension, torque vectoring, and drive modes tailored for long-distance touring, mountain roads, or even city cruising make it more than just fast. It's smooth, stable, and surprisingly agile. All-wheel drive ensures confidence across terrains, while regenerative braking adds to the efficiency. Despite its size and luxury, it handles like a grand tourer. Of course, all this innovation and opulence comes with a price tag worthy of its badge. Starting at around $2.8 million, the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome isn't aimed at the average traveler. It's for those who see no boundary between performance and lifestyle, who demand freedom without compromise. It's not just about getting from place to place, it's about the experience in between, about making every mile feel like an event. In a world where mobility is evolving fast, Bugatti has redefined what a motorhome can be. It's not just about where you go, it's how you live along the way.